I'm doing a bike check on the Stolen Wrap 2011. First, for barns, we got the Odyssey barns. For grips, we have the specialized grips. For the lever, we just have a random lever. I don't know what it's called. And then for bars, we have the Stolen big boy bars, an 8.25 rise. For cable, we have the stock tectro cable. For stem, we have the Stolen Convict V3 stem. For headset, just a stock headset. For forks, we have the Stolen Cyclone forks. For the wheel, the rim is a Stolen Revolt, and the hub is just a regular stock Stolen hub. For the tire, we have a FAF 2.25 in the front. The frame is a Stolen Wrap 2011. The seat is an Eastern seat. The clamp is a Stolen choker clamp. The pedals, I got Odyssey twisted PCs in clear purple. The cranks are the Stolen Mob cranks. The chain is just a standard KMC chain. The sprocket is a Stolen class ring. The brakes are just stock tectro brakes. The back wheel is the Amber Rain wheel. It's the Amber Rain hub, at least to the Amber Rain rim. And it's actually pretty good for $80. The back tire is the FAF 2.1 in the back, and just a stock BB kit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I guess I'll do the hub check now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any more questions, leave a comment. And yeah, thanks for watching.